Up for sale today, we got a 1956 Corvette, red interior, factory 3-speed, period correct 256 motor, red with the white coat, the Firestone white walls, factory hubcaps. What we have here is a beautiful example of a 56 Corvette. I'm not going to spend a lot of time talking about it because there's not a lot, I guess, to talk about. It's a beautiful car. The paint is very, very, very nice. The interior is very nice as well. Factory hardtop. It's got both tops. Like a little nip right there. Like I said, both tops. Factory engine compartment. All the lights work. All the gauges work. The horn works. Obviously the 3-speed works. Beautifully painted dash. Beautiful interior. The 3-speed. Kind of cool. I never owned a 3-speed before. 3-speed Corvette, I should say. So take a moment, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I got a lot of cars coming on YouTube soon. I'm going out of town this week, but I'm going to have some videos to upload. 4 videos, so you got a lot to watch. It'll be for sale today. NextGenClassicCars.com, also available on eBay. The trunk is finished. The chrome is excellent. The frame and the undercarriage are pristine. Oh my god, you should eat off of them. You can see those pictures in the ad as well. I'm telling you, you could eat off the undercarriage. It has seat belts. Body straight as an arrow. All factory original. So there's the car. I'll show you the engine starting soon, and drive around video afterwards. Thank you. Like, subscribe. I appreciate it.